Hey stars, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somto and today we are doing another wig review. This is a 5x5 frontal no closure wig that my sister got for me from Nigeria. So today we are going to be talking about this wig. Okay, and this is actually one of the wigs in my bag of wig. Remember my bag of wig? Yeah, if you haven't seen that, you should check that out. So this one is the Owambe Aunty wig. The one that already gives me the party vibes. Yeah, and the puff puff. Speaking about puff puff, honestly, guys, one plate of small chops could be hidden inside this wig, and nobody's gonna know. No kidding. Okay. So first things first, this wig I bought it as a packet hair, so they had to wig it for me, and see, they haven't even cut off anything. It was just as it was wigged. So I have to do a full-on customization. I have to start cutting off the excess nets, not the lace first. We're gonna get to cutting the lace much later. For now, I'm cutting off the wig cap underneath the lace. Yeah, so I go in with my scissors and then I use my eyebrow razor. I'm doing everything possible not to make mistake, and then it's time to fit the wig. And oh my goodness, the fit guys, don't play. Like, the fit of this wig got me so, like, it was just lapping on my head. And this wig is really full, really full. Yeah, like, so I have to turn around so that you can see. Can you see how bouncy, how juicy this wig is? And stay tuned to the end though, because you're not gonna believe the price I got this wig from. So last, I'm going to hold this, gather the hair together, take it to the back so that I can proceed with cutting off the lace proper. Yeah, so I was gonna cut the lace on my head, but it wasn't just working out for me. Like today, it was just, this is not what we're here for. So I had to take it off my head and then to cut the lace, because I did not want to make any mistake while cutting the lace. So off my head, I used my brow razor. Yeah, for easy and no mistake cutting, I always use my brow razor, but most of the times I use my scissors first and then I use my brow razor. But for this, I use my brow razor, and once it was cut, I put it back on my head, and then it was time to make the curls pop again. So I spray the hair with water. This is not just ordinary water. Yeah, this water is mixed with my leave-in conditioner, the Council leave-in conditioner. That's the one I use. So this hair the water is mixed with the conditioner. And you guys, one thing I kinda already noticed and hate is that this hair is shedding as though we are quarreling. Like, he's shedding like he's allergic to me for real. Like, the hair just they shed, and then after I sprayed water, I'm thinking that I didn't spray much water, but then I had to brush it and the shedding continues. Honestly, it was just shedding, and now I had to put it off my head again to customize the lace. And my madam woke up, see me smiling and waving to the other part. Yeah, she's awake. So after I tinted the lace of the wig, nobody's bleaching wigs anymore these days, so we just use a lace tint. So after tinting the lace, I still went in with my concealer to define that line, that pattern in the middle. Yeah, I can always go ahead and pat it center or the other center, or the other pat it side by side, because it's a full-on 5x5 closure. It's not T-frontal. Like, the closure of this wig is one thing I love about it. Like, the closure is so beautiful. The closure, you would think it's human hair. I think the closure is actually human hair, but the rest of the wig is just blend. But even at that, the wig is wigging and it's juicy. One downside about it though is the shedding. The thing they shed, they go, like, it was just shedding. But one other good thing is that the hair is full, so by the time it's done shedding, yeah, we have something remaining to work with. No kidding, but the wig is so good. It's versatile. I styled it with my with headband. So I did like 3 styles with my headband, just to show you that yeah, this wig it's really it's versatile, it's good, like you can style it either way. I did side part, center part, and then with my headband, and then I held this like a pineapple bun at the back of at the back. Yeah, it was just so beautiful. And now to the part that you have been waiting to hear. How much did I get the wig for? Okay, here comes drum roll please. Da, 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 da. So this wig did cost me 60,000 naira, a whooping 60,000 naira. And I want to know, guys, should I bring it to the front, or should I just trash it? Like, did I just waste my money on this wig? That's what I want to know. Did I waste my money, or was it actually a good investment? For me, I love the wig. I love it because I don't have any wig as full as this. It's so full, like full and fluffy. I love the way it just makes my face stand out. Like, I love that I can style it with my headband, my glasses. It's just so beautiful, and it's not all black. The wig is just looking so good, so classy, so chic. But the decision is left for you guys. Did I just waste my money, or did we do something here? Yo, let me know in the comment sections, and let me know if you want to see me style this wig some other ways, because I bet you I can give you 10 ways and more, 25 ways you can style this particular wig. So let me know if you want to see that. Okay. Okay, stars, thank you so much for coming in and hanging out with me today. I truly do appreciate you all. Remember to click on that subscribe button to join my amazing family. Like the video, and please share it with somebody that also loves making bad financial decisions, because I guess I am the leader.